What's the matter? You want me to put them on? Come on, let's go see them.
Scary.
Scary.
Gordy.
Look it. Yeah.
Hey, Gordy.
No, that's a rat.
Hey,
Yeah. Hold on, let Daddy put the light on, okay? You ready?
Scary.
Scary. Uh-oh, ready? Ooh, scary. What's the matter? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yeah, watch this. Look at the pumpkin. Ben. Ben, don't play with that. We gotta put candy in there. Benjamin, look at the pumpkin. Ooh, scary. Yeah, you want to see the spider? Look at the spider. Scary. Easy with the pumpkin, buddy. Yeah, Ben, look at the window. Look at the window. Scary. What's the matter? What's that? Ben, look. Look. Uh-oh. What's this? What's this? It's a skeleton. He's not interested. There's nothing in there. Where you going? That's a skeleton. Yeah, it's scary, right? Don't be scared by it. Don't be scared. That's a pumpkin. Hey, grab your spider. What's a spider do? Oh. Yeah, he's dead. Oh. You gotta press the nose, Ben. Easy. You broke it already. Now all you have is a head. Wait, get off. Get up. Stand up.